All right, guys, just a little quick unboxing of something I just got in today, just now actually. These are the Birkenstock Arizona. These are the foam ones, and I'll be honest, this is the first pair of Birkenstocks I've ever bought. I saw these while on vacation like a year ago, and I thought they were really cool. So, and they are really cool. You know, the box is really light, and my God, these shoes are really light. I like these a lot more than like actual Birkenstocks. You know, they have kind of like this really cool vibe. They seem really relaxed. You know, actual Birkenstocks are made out of this weird suede. They have this cork sole. Just kind of not my jam. But, you know, people that have Birkenstocks really love them. But my God, I mean, these look really awesome. And so this is just a new shoe. Well, I don't think it's new, but it's like a shoe that's been out for about a couple of years that Birkenstock put out. It's their Arizona model. Kind of has that traditional Birkenstock look to them. And I really like this orange colorway. Anyway, hope you like this unboxing. I'm really going to be using these a lot this summer. Thank you.